Hey viewers, it's Phil from Edward Lees. We've just traded in this 07 VE Commodore SV6, and this car is immaculate despite the fact that it's quite a high mileage car. It's done I think 230 odd thousand Ks. But the owner who we've just sold the car to was a very fussy gentleman, and the cars receive a lot of love and care, regular servicing, tow bar there, and I'm struggling to find a scratch on this car. All the paintwork is like new. It's really immaculate. It's got some nice HSV parts there, the wing. HSV number plates. If we look very carefully, it's just been on a long trip. There's a couple of very small stone chips on it. I think you'd need a microscope to see those. This thing's immaculate. Tyres, excellent. Now this is undetailed, this is just in the raw as it's come from the owner. Seats, beautiful, it's got the electric seat, telephone, hands-free, quite a few options and extras, power windows, 238,000 Ks. It's really been cared for, this car. Dash mat, definitely a non-smoker's car. Nothing scratched up on it. It's got logbooks and service history. And all the services are actually in the logbook. So there's a massive amount of money being spent on maintaining this car. So I think it would be a very good, reliable and affordable car for somebody. On it for you. Sorry about my bad camera work. Very amateur, but very real. There's no special effect on these videos. Not clever enough to do that. This is an 07 model, and if you have a look here, accident free. The guards have never been off. Strut towers, all original radiator support. There's no evidence whatsoever any repairs in this car. We've done a complete vehicle history check on the car, rev check. It's never been stolen, it's never been written off, there's no money owing on the car. And if you're interested, you'll be getting this car from Edward Lees Japanese Auto Centre. Licensed dealer since 1971, so it'll be a hassle-free purchase. And if you're interested, give us a call. Our number is 02 9744 0539. Or go to our website edwardlees.com.au. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off. Phil from Edward Lees.